Hi stamping friends, this is Gail with Rubber and Ink Crafts. Thank you for stopping by and watching my video today. We're going to make a couple of tags and I'm going to try to do them assembly line style. Yeah. We're going to be using the Nature's Harvest bundle, which is this stamp set, and the dies that come with it. We have flower stems and all kinds of good stuff in those dies. I love them. Okay, we're also going to be using a couple of new products. This is our 6x6 craft cardstock 6x6 paper pack, and it's really nice. Love it, love it, love it. Great, great, great paper. We also have something else that's fun to use and new. Cork paper. Cork paper. Can you see that? Cork. Let's see. See if I can get that. C-O-R-K, cork. Anyway, I can't get it to focus, but let's open this up. And I'll show you. You get 2 sheets of 12 by 12 cork. It's very thin. It tears very easily. It takes ink very nicely, which I'll show you. Love this paper. Love, love, love this paper. Okay, so let's get started. Oh, yes, everything sliced out. We're also going to be using, so I'll show you. I cut and colored all the 3 stems ahead of time. And I colored them using our Stamping Blends alcohol ink markers. And you can color these with regular markers. I used watercolor paper. And you can color them with the Stamping Blends, our alcohol markers, our regular Stampin' Right markers, watercolor pencils. You can use our regular ink and watercolor with the regular ink. You can color these any kind of way. You can cut them out on colored paper already. And then we already have a whole bunch we're going to use quite a few ribbons. Okay, so let's get started on this. I'm going to get a piece of scrap paper. It's so hot. Excuse me. I had to turn my fan off, otherwise you wouldn't be able to hear me, so I'm sweating. So let's do this fast. All right, so let's, I cut the tags. Let me show you the tags. Let's see. We're making 3 tags. So I cut the tags using let me get my microphone cord out of the way. This punch. I forget the name of it, but we use this punch. How do you like that? Okay. Yeah, we're using early espresso ink. And what I'm going to do is ink the flower. I'm going to stamp it off again because I just want it very light. Stamp it off. That's first and second, so I'm going to stamp in third and fourth generation. Stamp off, first and second, and I'm stamping in third and fourth generation. Okay, and then I have all my little pieces of cork and craft paper that are going to go on these tags. Okay, so we're going to have a little bit of rustic and we're going to have a little bit of lace. How about that? So they're going to go like this, but we're going to sponge everything with our sponge daubers and a little bit of early espresso ink. You can just make this as rustic as you want. I think this is too tall and I need to tear this to make it the right size. Come back here. This is going to go here and here. Let me tear this down here. Let's get a little bit of ink there, a little bit of ink there. And sponge. Okay. I like the little grunge look. So we're gonna make little grungy tags. Okay, rustic. I love rustic and lace together. I like, oops, I don't need to do that. Lace and Cork craft. All that stuff is rustic, but the lace added just that combination. Love it. All right, so all the sponging is done. Okay, so now let's see. Let's put these pieces down first. Let's put this cork down first. Okay, let's put this down here. And then let's take this piece. Well, let's see, I want a little piece of lace that I want to put right here. So what I'm going to do is get a piece of tape, double stick tape, doesn't matter. Or you can use glue dots. Okay. I'm going to take a little piece of ribbon, get my ribbon scissors. I'm going to glue that right behind this piece right here, just like that. I didn't put enough tape down here to hold it. Okay, so we just want the lace to be kind of even coming out, and this is going to get glued right down here. I think I'm going to tear this down just a little bit more. Okay, where's my dauber? There it is. All right, now let's glue this down. So this will go right here. Just want that to come over just a little bit. There we go. Trying to see around my phone. There. All right. That's going to go there. Let's take this one and put this down. Glue, 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 glue. You know what? These are probably be great to use. Yeah, I think next time I'm going to use our stamping, what do you call them? The adhesive sheets for the scissors, for the Big Shot, or the whatever we call the thing now. Stamp and cut and emboss machine. How about that? Yeah. Okay. Now, let's put a couple of these down. Let's do... Okay. We're going to put some ribbon on that in a minute. Okay, we're done with this. We can close that up before, I make a mistake. Okay, so this one is going to have this. So let's glue this down. Right down here. Hope I'm in camera. Yeah, there I am. Okay. All right. Now, before I do that, let's see. I have to put this ribbon on. I need 2 pieces of this little, just 2 scallops. 2 pieces of only 2 scallops each. And then I'm going to put just a little bit of glue right here and right here. And it will dry clear. It will hold my ribbon. And it will dry clear. Okay. What did I do with that other little piece? Oh, there it is. All right. We're going to put those right at the top and the bottom of the cork piece. Okay. Now we can glue. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right. Let's try that again. Turn it around. There we go. All right. So now let's put this on the tag. And let's put the flower on top of that. Yeah. That's going to go just like this. Love it. And then now let's add a few of these. Couple here. Couple here. All right. That one's done. And one more. See? That's not bad. Very quick. Put this down right there. Then let's put this piece on top. Oh, I forgot I need to put a piece of lace on here. So let me try glue dots on this one. One there. One there. That should hold it. All right. Okay, now let me cut a piece of lace. I just want a small piece. Let's try 1, 2, let's see. Let's try like 3 scallops. Oh, let's try 4. Be brave. Okay, so we're going to attach that to those glue dots. And then we're going to glue everything down. Okay. If I can get it off my hand. Okay, we're going to put this here. And then we're going to put this, let's see. Okay. This is going to go right here. Now, this one needs a few dots, so let's put a few down the side here. One more. Okay, so those are done as far as stamping and assembling. So now what we need to do is put the ribbon on. Okay, let's get rid of that. so we have quite a few ribbons that we're going to use. Okay. All right, now, so what I do is I'm taking the ribbon, a ribbon, and some lace. Gonna put it in the tag like this in the hole at the top. Okay, we're layering them together like that. And let me cut it. And then I'll get a piece of twine and I will tie a bow or a knot. Let's do double. Okay, so I'll put this here and this there. And let's tie a knot. Somebody's doing construction outside, right outside my window. I don't know if you guys can hear all that noise. I'm sorry if you can. Okay, and my window is closed. Okay. All right, tie the knot, Gail. Tie the knot. Get the knot tight. It really is easier than it looks, than how I'm making it look. All right, that's good right there. More knot. I usually don't cut it off the bolt or the whole roll until I know how much I need exactly. That way I don't waste it too much. Okay. All right, so that's one. Okay. Let's do this one. Same thing. We're going to take the ribbon and we're going to take the lace together, layer them together. Let's see, put them in a slot here. Let's cut this right here. Let's move this out of the way. And let's get some twine or linen thread. And the linen thread is also part of the rustic. And we've got shimmer ribbon and lace ribbon alongside cork and craft and twine. Okay, let's tie this knot. You know, you could put a glue dot in the middle there to hold everything while you tie it. That'd just make life a little easier, right? But who am I to make life easier on myself? Okay. All right. Zoe, shh, 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 shh. Zoe, that's the neighbor. Shh. Shh. Oh, look what I did. All right, let's retie that. Simple, simple. Okay. Bring that back up and make it even. Let's get my twine together or my linen thread together here. And let's make a knot. There we go. Okay, now let's make another knot. Zoe, shh. Oh. There we go. And let's trim it. All right. 2 down, 1 more to go. So we've got a brown. Let's put this in here first and see how much I need. Then I'll cut it off. Okay. Come Come on, you're supposed to go in there together. Not separate. There you go. All right. There we go. Let's see here. Put those two over there. Let's get another piece of twine, a little bigger piece. What happened to my bag of twine? Oh, there it is, right in front of me. Turned upside down so I couldn't see it. All right. Who knows where the end is? Okay. Put the two together. Tie my knot. Zoe, shh. Okay. Now one more knot. Okay, now that's good. Cut this here, cut this here, and we have got ourselves 3 little tags. How about that? Pretty cute. Pretty easy. A lot of fun to do. So thank you for stopping by and watching my video. Guess what? Go and stamp something.